Go ahead. Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Leander from Weisscam, and we're presenting our concept for a new camera system. And the special thing about it is that it's a modular camera system. We got a camera head in the front. You can see it's shaped like a T, so we call it the T concept.
Okay.
And we connect the camera head, the T, to our recorder. And there are different ways of connecting both of them. So here you can see the variable bridge, where you can adjust the angle between the recorder and the camera head.
Okay.
But you can also take them apart and connect them with a cable. And we want to offer 3 different camera heads with different sensor types. So for example, a 4K sensor, a 2K sensor, so the customer can select which head to use and can change them. You can also connect 2 camera heads to the recorder for stereo 3D recording, and you can also record signals of different cameras, like the Alexa, for example, to the recorder.
So your main technology is in the recorder as opposed to...
Sorry?
Your main technology would be more in the recorder and getting the data off of the sensor as opposed to...
Yeah, but we also want to offer our own camera heads.
Okay.
And, this is our data pack we already developed. We can save up to 4 terabytes on this data pack, with a very high data rate to record.
It's all solid state, I assume?
It's solid state, yeah. Yeah, and it's not going to be a special high-speed camera, because we already developed 2 high-speed cameras, which are pretty good. But it shall record more than the standard speeds. Like maybe up to 300 or 400 frames per second.
I see. And I guess for lens mounting systems and stuff like that, like what do you guys do for
lens mounting?
Yeah.
We're thinking about a multi-mount system, so that you will be able to connect PL mount lenses, Nikon or Canon mount lenses. Yeah.
And then you planning on making them autofocusable as well, or they're all going to be manual? They're just going to be mechanical adapters?
Yeah,
I guess back to the design too. Like, why is it important to have this T-shirt?
There are different reasons. One reason is just the design reason, because we want to create something that looks different. A main idea was to have small form factor, and it's a new cooling system. We're trying to cool it without an active cooler. Yeah.
I guess you said the thermoelectric cooling, so like a Peltier cooler or something like that, you said?
The cooling concept is we try to cool it down just with the casing.
So all totally
this is why we shaped it this way, to have the case just around the chips, or
So that's why, just to increase the surface area and to leave as few layers as possible. Cool. And then I think that's great. The design is just so unique that I'm just trying to figure out how you mount and how to operate and stuff like that.
So there are no, of course there will be a bridge plate or some handles, but we didn't show them yet, because this is the most clear form and the most reduced setup we want to present.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, cool. I guess, no, I think